Cheetography PHP cheat sheet by Dave Child via cheetography.com 1cs2 PHP array functions array underscore diff array1 array2 array underscore filter arr functions array flip arr array underscore intersect arr1 arr2 array underscore merge arr1 arr2 array underscore pop arr array underscore push arr var1 var2 array reverse arr array search needle arr array walk arr function count in array needle hashtag PHP string functions crypt str salt explode sap str implode glue arr nl2br str sprint frmt args strip tag str allowed underscore tags str underscore replace search replace str post str needle str needle str to lower str to upper str sub str string start lane PHP file system functions clear state clear state cache copy source dashed focus fclose fclose handle fgets handle lane file mtime file size file underscore exist file fopen file mode fread handle lane fwrite handle str read file PHP date and time function check date month day year date format time stamp get date time stamp mk time hr mean second month day year strf time for format string time stamp str to time str time PHP regulator expression functions ereg pattern str split pattern str ereg underscore replace pattern replace str preg underscore grep pattern arr preg underscore match pattern str PREG underscore match underscore all pattern str arr PREG underscore replace pattern replace str PREG underscore split pattern str regular expression syntax start string end string any single character a or b group section in range a b or c not in range white space 0 or 1 of a 0 or more of a 0 or more ungreedy 1 or more of a plus quotient 1 or more ungreedy a curly bracket 3 exactly 3 or a 3 or more of a up to 6 of a 3 to 6 of a 3 to 6 of a ungreedy three to six of a ungreedy escape character punct any punctuation symbol space any space character blank space or tab. There's an excellent regular expression test at regexpal.com regexpal.com pattern modifiers G global match I star case insensitive M star multiple lines S star treat string as single line X star allow comments and white space in pattern pattern modifiers cont E star evaluate replacement U star ungreedy pattern star PCRE modifier PHP of open mode R read R plus read and write prepend W write true truncate W plus read and write truncate A write append A plus read and write append PHP date function PHP date function Y 4 digit year 2008 Y 2 digit year 08 F long month January M short month Jan M month 01 to 12 N month 1 to 12 D short day name 1 L long day name Monday lowercase l D day 4 0 to 31 J day 1 to 31 H 12 hours 0 1 to 12 G 12 hour 1 to 12 H 24 hours 4 0 0 to 23 G 24 hours 0 to 23 I minutes 00 to 59 S second 0059 W day of week 0 to 6 Z day of year 0 to 365 W week of the year 2 1 to 53 PHP date formatting cont T days in month 28 to 31 A AM or PM A AM or PM B swatch internet time 000 to 999 s ordinal suffix st nd rd th t time zone of machine gmt z time zone offset seconds o gmt offset hours plus 0200 l daylight saving 12 or 0 l leap year 120 u second since UPOCH ISO 8601 PHP 5 2008 07 31 T 1830 13 plus 01 00 R REC 2822 Thursday 31 July 2008 18 30 13 0100 10 is Sunday 6 is Saturday 2 week that overlap 2 years belong to year that contain most days of the week, hence week number for the 1st January of given year can be 53 if week belongs to previous year. Date W MK time 00:012 $8 year, always give correct number of weeks in $year. 3 the approach epoch is the 1st January 1974 with leading zeros. MySQL commands cheat sheet, user and privileges. User create user at localhost, drop user host, user at host, grant privileges. User and privileges. User create user at localhost, drop user at host, grant privileges, name on object to user, revoke privileges on object from user, alter user identified by password. Set password get password for user at localhost equal to password. Database create database underscore name, user database underscore name, drop database underscore name, show database. Data type tin int, data types tin ints, small int integer, int means tiny integer, small integer, medium integer, int integer, big integer, decimal, float, double, char. Varchar blob date time stamp date time, tiny text long text, bit bull tables, show tables, describe table, name, create table, underscore name, column 1 data type, column 2 data type, column 3 data type, drop table, table name, alter table, table name, add column underscore name data type, alter table, table name, add column name data type, alter table, table name, drop column, column name, alter table, table name, modify column, column name data type, select star from table name, select column 1 column 2 from table underscore name, select distinct column 1 column 2 from table underscore name, select column 1 column 2 from table underscore name, where condition select column 1 column 2 from table name, where condition order by column column 1 ASC D D E DESC, select column 1 column 2 from table name, where condition group by column 1, select column 1 column 2 from table underscore name, where condition limit number of result, select column 1 column 2 from table 1, inner join star table 2 on table 1 dot column underscore name equal to table 2 dot column underscore name star left join, right join, full join, self join. Index, create index underscore name on table underscore name column 1 column 2, create unique index name on table name column 1 column 2, alter table name, drop index name, views, create view underscore name as, select column 1 column 2 from table underscore name, where condition create or replace view underscore name as, select column 1 column 2 from table underscore name, where condition drop view name, date and time, date diff now, day month, date underscore add str underscore to date underscore sub sys date, date underscore format time diff dine dayn name time stamp time stamp dief day week extract weekday last underscore day year string ASCII OCT bin OCTET underscore length bit dot length ORD char position char underscore length quote concat reg exp concat underscore ws regexp in str elt regexp like export underscore set regexp replace field regexp substar find underscore in underscore set repeat format replace from base 64 reverse hex right insert rlx r like in star r paid l case r trim left soundex length sound like space load file strcmp locate sub str lower substring index lpad to base 64 lt trim make underscore set ucase match unhex mid upper not underscore like wait string not reg exp math abs acos asian atans cell cil conv cos cot c32 deg rws x floor ln log 2 log 10 mod pi power radians rand round sine sqrt tan truncate aggregate avg bit and bit or bit xor count group contact zone arrays zone object egg max mean std dev underscore pop std dev underscore sum var pop var sam variance comparison, greater than, equal to, lesser than, greater than, lesser than, equal to, exclamation mark, equal to, lesser than, equal to, lesser than, equal to, greater than, equal to, between, and call, COALESCE, greatest in, interval is underscore not, is underscore not null, is underscore null, is null, like, not underscore between, and not underscore in, not underscore like, strcmp, follow, control, case, if, in, if, null, null, if. PHP post function code, function, slider, post type, labels, array, name, slider, post type, general name, restaurant, single name, singular name, slider, post type, singular name, restaurant, menu name, slider, restaurant, parent, item, clone, parent, slider, restaurant, all item, all, slider, restaurant, view item, view, slider, restaurant, add new item, add new, slider, restaurant, add new restaurant, edit item, edit, slider, restaurant, update item, update, slider, restaurant, search item, search, slider, restaurant, not found, restaurant, not found in trans, restaurant, args, array, label, slider, restaurant, description, slider, news and reviews, restaurant, labels, supports, array, title, edit, accept, or author, thumbnail, taxonomies, array, genres, hierarchical, false, public, true, show UI, true, show in menu, true, show in now menu, true, show in admin bar, true, menu position 5, can export, true, has achieved, true, exclude from search, false, publicity, publicly, queryable, true, capability type, page, taxonomies, array, categories, register, post type, slider, arcs, add action, init, slider, post type, o, file link, code, php echo, esc, ur, get, template, directory, uri, dynamic image link, php echo, wp get, attachment, ur, get, post, thumbnail, id, post id, full. Post creating code, start php, post equal to new, wp query, array, post type, post name, order, asc, while, post, have, post, the post, and php, and while, content and title. Dynamic code PHP echo get the title, PHP echo get the content, PHP echo the excerpt, site URL code, site URL, page dynamic code, PHP my query equal to new WP query page ID equal to 7, while my query have post my query the post, and PHP and while add header PHP template name home display only home template @package WordPress sub package build line since build line 1.0 get header archives code. Thank you very much for watching this video.